working on getting some breaking news for you here if we could, so just give me 1 second. And I was just informed of a potentially alarming event that took place.
I'm experienced now, professional. Y'all been broke, been knocked down a couple times. Bad. Been chopping trees. I done something new for this fight. I done wrestled with an alligator. That's right. I have wrestled with an alligator. I done tussled with a whale. I done handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. That's bad. Only last week, I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean, I make medicine sick. Man, dude. Yeah, fast. Last night, I cut the light off in my bedroom, hit the switch, was in the bed before the room was dark. I'm fast, I'm pretty, and can't possibly be beat.